What's going on, everybody? Appreciate y'all tuning the channel today here at 323 Fabrication. You see behind me this killer Scat Pack 392 2020 Dodge Challenger. It's my buddy Justin from work. We're gonna do a mid-muffler delete on this car today. It does have an intake and a catch can. It's a stick car, which is awesome, and it is beautiful. So we've been looking online, found a kit. He ordered a kit. We're gonna cut the mufflers out. It's a slip-on kit, because in my mind I was thinking that would be the easiest way to do it and the easiest to reverse if he doesn't like it. That being said, I'm gonna show you the kit real quick. I'll get him to fire it up. We'll do some stock exhaust, just quick revs, and then we'll get started. All right, here's the kit he ordered. It's from Jack Spainia Racing. Shows they're out of Bradenton, Florida. But this is a stainless. These are nice, thick stainless clamps. And then it's expanded slip-on stainless, which is pretty sweet. I was excited to see when we opened the box that it was stainless. Do you remember how much the kit was?
It was about 120 bucks.
120 bucks. Yeah. That thing's got a Hemi. It's a good looking car. I like it. You want to fire up?
All right.
We went ahead and I backed it up on the ramps, and we put jack stands under the front where we could fit under it. It's our shop pup. It's got a good sound. It's about to get louder. Alright, here's your mid mufflers under these cars. They're back here right in front of the diff. I marked it there and there just by judging, holding this pipe up. I know y'all aren't gonna be able to see much because we're so close to the ground. That's where I think it needs to be cut. So I'm gonna cut one. Check it out. Good old sawzaw. Mid mufflers. We had to lift the car a little more. This is a job with a full-size sawzaw to get under here and get to this. And now I'm gonna clean these up a little bit, get all the burrs off and square them up with a grinder, because now I can get a grinder in here with a tiger paw on it. And I haven't checked the pipe yet. We might have to trim them a little more, but we got room to get to it now. But we're gonna fire it up like this just for fun. See what it sounds like. Open cats.
Oh boy. All right, here we go.
Spicy. Time to put the pipes on. All right, mid muffler delete installed. Pipe jam up. These thick clamps like this are awesome. It's stainless. They slipped on real good. I actually put some Irish Spring soap inside of them because I thought I was gonna have to, like, you know, force them on. They went on good. almost cut too much with the muffler, so be careful when you do that. Don't want to cut too much off, but it fit. So we're gonna see what it sounds like. Fire her up. You have to put it in race mode this time. We might have to loosen it up and straighten these tips up though. They're kind of crooked. Yeah, that's okay. That's better. Oh yeah. Now that's in track mode with your valves open. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can hear me over this race car, but it's in track mode, so the valves are open currently. You want to close them, see what it sounds like, but it sounds so good. Not a ton of difference, but a little bit. Alright, we're done with it. I just gotta put the car down. Justin's hooking the ground back up, unhook the battery, because I did come in here and tack these because we couldn't get it to pull tight with these clamps. And my theory on that is, what I should have done, I didn't think about it till afterwards, is took these pipes and did 4 slits 90 degrees from each other. That way when you pulled the clamp down, it would actually pull the pipe tight. But this works. I actually had to come back in and add pipe off the mufflers because they weren't quite in there long enough. But it was easy. I just unbolted the X pipe and took it out, added that back to it, reinstalled it, and then we tacked these to keep them from moving. So that's it. It's done. See you, buddy.